Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find secret conversation in Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to find out a secret conversation in Messenger, all you gotta do is simply open your Messenger app. Once you open your Messenger app, on the chats, to go to your main conversation, you need to simply scroll and see a lock like icon next to the contact's name. If there is the icon next to your contact's name, that means that an active secret chat has been established or connected. So simply tap on the conversation to open it and see your secret conversation in Messenger. But if you want to see from a specific chat, you can simply go to a normal chat with the particular person you had a secret conversation with, and at the very top of the chat you can find the option called go to secret conversation if you have one. So this is how you can find secret conversation in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.